Greetings, PCGen enthusiasts. This is Andrew Maitland with the PCGen project, doing a reissue today for the version roadmap of 6.6 and 6.8. Today's discussion is going to center around formula parser replacement and the FACTSET tags. A roadmap is basically when the PCGen team comes together and determines what they want to include in the next release. Alright, so what is this about? Well, JEP, or Java Expression Parser, is old and no longer supported for open source. They were dual release under a commercial license and as well as an open source license. This is no longer the case. The data team needs finer controls to handle complicated systems. The existing JEP cannot handle these systems properly. One, because we're using a stagnant library, we're not getting any updates, and there's just complicated systems out there that we just need some fine-tuning on. This also takes us a step closer to removing hard-coded D20 concepts from the PCGen core engine. So what is the replacement? Well, Tom Parker, in collaboration with the PCGen code team, devised a specific parser to handle the anticipated needs of the team. This custom parser is able to take various different scopes and manage them as plugins, keeping the core modular. What are we gaining? The formula system replacement can do equipment level formulas that stay current to an individual piece of equipment. Equipment can also have a sub-level called a part. It can maintain a separate number of values. Example being quarterstaff, which has two ends, or two heads, or parts. One end may be a +2 value for the weapon, and the other may be a +4 value for the weapon. In addition to handling equipment, the plan is to support individual spells, skills, classes, and even game mode items, traditionally like the saves and stats. So what can it support? Well, like JEP, it can support variables. Monkey = 1, zebra = 5. What our old system can't support: grid points, 5x5, 10x5, an actual true Boolean value of true or false. We can cheat and make that a 1 or a 0, obviously. Oops. Okay, what's the impact? The formula system parser is designed to replace everything associated with the old JEP system. This includes every bonus tag, any tag that was supported or altered by a bonus tag, and tags that have an inherent numeric value, like face, weight, cost. What's the replacement syntax? It's a simple to understand syntax. We have modify and modify other. Modify is for affecting the current item or a global variable, while modify other is meant to affect another item. Example, weapon focus feat, granting a +2 hit to a longsword. Do we have documentation? Yes, Tom Parker has done an excellent job of documenting the reasoning and limitations so far. Me, Andrew Maitland here, has been focusing on the impact to the current datasets released to the public and started a conversion wiki. All of our documentation resides on the PCGen project wiki page, found at wiki.pcgen.org. Here's the links for further information if you really want to read all about it. I'll even post this in the videos. Oh. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, another new development that's underway. FACT and FACTSET allow the creation of new tags to be specific to a given source or game system. It comes with its own inbuilt choose system, as well as a pre-FACT and pre-FACTSET support. Plus, it can be exported to the character sheet. And, along with that, can be supported on the UI, or user interface. Why? Well, it's designed to eliminate a good portion of the constant new tag requests. With the inbuilt features, the data team will have the power to determine what is required to be used in any given game system and create new tags for their needs. What will it do? FACT and FACTSET are designed with one function in mind: to establish a constant value about a given object. Deity Zeus. Factually, his alignment's lawful good. He's part of the pantheon, Greek, and greater deity. His worshippers are Greeks. These values are not going to change. None of those values will change, ergo facts. What will it do? We can also use FACT to establish a set numerical value that may need to be referenced by its user. A starting challenge rating might be a good item, or knowing what a base movement mode and the speed of a race was. Conclusion. Well, with the FACTSET and formula parser replacement, we do anticipate a lot of structure redesign. A lot of the mental models that we established will need to be reevaluated to what the rule actually requires, and not because it's how we've always done it. This is all in an effort to allow PCGen to support a multitude of game systems and handle the needs of the community. That's the final thing on my slide here. Just to let you know, as of today, the 5th of November, PCGen released 655, and you can actually take a look at the FACTS system in place. You'll find the FACTS in data control and the ability files, and that is a great example of how that is all set up. Anyways, I hope you found this informative. Until next time.